Welcome to HYATT Regency Manila, a 5-star luxury hotel right inside City of Dreams, Manila. In this video, we're diving into everything this place has to offer. Its prime location near the Mall of Asia complex, just across Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, plus the modern amenities, spacious rooms, and top-notch service that makes it stand out. Let's get started. HYATT Regency Manila sits inside the City of Dreams Resort Complex in the Entertainment City District of Pasay. Its location is super convenient, only about a 5 to 10 minute drive from the airport and just a short ride from the SM Mall of Asia complex. Average room prices start around 10,000 pesos or around $170 for their standard king or twin deluxe room. Some notable hotels and establishments in the City of Dreams Hotel and Resort Complex are the Nobu Hotel, Nuwa Hotel, and Dreamplay, a family entertainment center featuring DreamWorks characters like Shrek and Kung Fu Panda. There's ample enough parking at City of Dreams' dedicated parking building. But one notable issue here is if you have a car with you, you will need to park at this building and either walk all through the casino area going to the hotel, or catch an electric cart that goes all the way in front of HYATT Regency Manila's lobby. A quick room tour of their 2 twin beds deluxe room. It's spacious with modern amenities like a coffee maker and a large LCD TV. Internet connection is decent and soundproofing is above average. We have the city view room and the LRT noise was barely heard from our room. The bathrooms is actually one of the more spacious ones I've seen in this category. You got the essentials covered: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, all neatly arranged and ready to go. And I really like the shower setup here. The controls are super straightforward. The water pressure is solid, and adjusting the temperature is quick and hassle-free. It just makes the whole experience feel a lot more comfortable and relaxing. Probably the highlight of your stay in HYATT Regency Manila is their amazing facilities, particularly their wide pool area. They have a kid-only pool, while adults can enjoy a deeper and bigger pool just besides the kids' pool area. Loungers are plenty and lifeguards are on standby for the safety of your little ones. Just outside HYATT's private pool area are several other pools for the Nobu and Nuwa Hotel guests. You are free to wander around their spacious roof deck and garden area, which are exclusive only for City of Dreams guests. There's also a roof deck bar which you can enjoy till late evening. Here's some more shots of the amazing pool and outdoor area. HYATT Regency Manila also features a spacious gym as well as a salon at Salon de Mat. Aside from their indoor lounge and cafe, You can also check out several more restaurants and shops at the City of Dreams Resort Complex near the casino area. For families with kids, Dream Play is a must visit inside the City of Dreams Resort Complex. This huge indoor amusement park offers several activities featuring various DreamWorks properties like How to Train Your Dragon, as well as Kung Fu Panda and Shrek. Ticket prices are 1,500 pesos and 350 pesos for non-participants. There's definitely a lot to do in the area to make your stay more enjoyable, from shopping to dining, as well as the huge indoor Dream Play area. Overall, I highly recommend HYATT Regency Manila if you're after a luxurious and genuinely enjoyable stay right in the heart of Entertainment City in Pasay. The location is super convenient. You're just a quick drive from the airport, close to the Mall of Asia complex, and already inside the City of Dreams, where there's plenty to do. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with kids, the whole area has a lot to offer, making your stay feel easy, fun, and worth it. Hopefully, this video has helped you with your future travel plans in the metro. Please like and subscribe for more amazing travel videos. Thanks and see you on our next staycation.